Okay, good morning everyone. So today's lesson is about the system of linear equations. So we are dealing here with two equations with the same variables. So the common variables that we are going to use in this lesson are x and y. So last time, as what I have told you, you don't have to familiarize yourselves with the variables involved in the linear equations for the x and y. So it can be varied into various and different uh, alphabets and variables. So it is much better for us to familiarize ourselves in dealing with various types of variables. Okay. So the definition of the system of linear equations is that it is two or more linear equations with the same variables. The solution is the point of intersection of the lines representing the equations. So we can use the graphical method or the graphical approach when we are solving for the linear equations and we want to find the point of intersection of those two equations. So, doon sa point na kung saan magi-intersect yung dalawang lines, so that is the solution for that particular linear equations. And also, it can be obtained by the following methods. We have the elimination method, the substitution method, and of course, the graphical method. So, we are going to solve different linear equations by using these three methods. So the first one is the elimination method. So I have here three examples involving linear equations with two variables. So we are going to solve those equations by using the elimination method. So the first one is, let us solve the following equation by elimination method. We have here 2x plus y is equals to 4 and x minus 2y is equals to 7. Okay? So to use the system equation, to use the elimination method in finding the solution of system of linear equation, these two equations here, okay, as you can see, this first equation, we have 2x plus y is equals to 4. And the second one is x minus 2y is equals to 7. We have to find the values of both x and y. By elimination method, so ganito ang gagawin natin. We can eliminate the variable x, or we can eliminate first the variable y. Whichever the variable that you are going to eliminate first, it doesn't matter. Okay? So you can eliminate first x or you can eliminate first y. So in this case, we are going to solve for the two variables here, and let us first eliminate the variable y. So for this particular problem, we have to multiply the first equation, this one here. We will multiply this by 2. Okay? So by multiplying this by 2, okay, we have this equation here will become 2 multiplied by 2x is equals to 4x. 2 times y is equals to 2y. So that is positive. So this is plus 2y is equals to 2 times 4 is equals to 8. Okay? And then, let us rewrite this second equation to this one. We have x minus 2y is equals to 7. Then after that, let us eliminate y. To eliminate these two terms here, positive 2y and negative 2y, we have to add the two equations so that this positive 2y, when we add it to negative 2y, the answer will be equal to 0. In that case, we eliminated the variable y. So let us do the addition. 4x plus x is equals to 5x. Then positive 2y plus negative 2y will be equal to 0. So this will be cancelled out. 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. So we have here an equation which is 5x is equals to 15. From this equation, we can now find the solution for the x variable. So let us divide this both sides by 5. So dividing both sides by 5, this will cancel. You have there x is equals to 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. Okay? So this is the solution for the variable x. Next, to eliminate x from from the original equation, let us rewrite this first equation. We have 2x plus y is equals to 4. And then now, we are going to multiply the second equation by 2, y2, so that when we subtract these two equations here, the variable x will be eliminated because 2 multiplied by x is 2x. Then subtracting these two equations, 2x minus 2x will be equal to 0. So let us first evaluate this second equation. 2 times x is equals to 2x. 2 times negative 2y is negative 4y. 2 times 7 is equals to 14. And then, let us subtract the two equations so that 2x minus 2x will be equal to 0. And therefore, the variable x will be eliminated. So this will be equal to 0. Then y minus negative 4y is equals to positive 5y. Okay? And then 4 minus 14 will be equal to negative 10. So therefore, the value of y, we will divide both sides by 5. This is also 5. Then cancel yung 5. We have y is equals to negative 2. So these are the solution of this particular linear equations. We use the elimination method. Now, to check our answers if they are correct, we will substitute these two variables here, or the numerical value of these two variables, to our original equations. So for the first equation, we have 2x plus y is equals to 4. Substituting the values of x is equals to 3 and y is equals to negative 2, it should satisfy the given equation. So this is equals to now 2 multiplied by 3 plus y is negative 2. So this is plus negative 2 is equals to 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? Plus negative 2. This is minus 2 is equals to 4. So therefore, 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. 4 is equals to 4. So therefore, uh, the values of x and y is equal to 3 and negative 2 respectively, and which are correct for the first equation. Now, let us substitute these two variables here to the second equation, and it should also satisfy the second equation. So for the second equation, we have x minus 2y is equals to 7. Substituting x is equals to 3 and y is equals to negative 2 to our second equation. So we have 3 minus 2 times the value of y is negative 2 is equals to 7. And so, this is 3. Negative 2 minus 2 is equals to, or negative 2 times negative 2 is equals to positive 4, is equals to 7. So therefore, 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. It also satisfies the second equation. So we can conclude now that the solution for this particular linear equation is x is equals to 0 and y is equals to negative 2. Okay? So I will pause for a while and I will upload this video on our canvas, and the second example will be uh, will be captured later for the for a separate video. So kindly uh, watch this video for you to be familiarized on how to solve the system of linear equations by using the elimination method. Thank you.